So now 1 minute left to New Year and firecrackers have started to burst. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing well and safe, and you all are safe and fine. So 2020 is just gonna end in a few minutes, and I hope 2021 will start in a much positive way, as 2020 was a very bad year for all of us, and I hope 2021 will go on a much good way and a much positive way. So we don't have much plans on this new year. Like, we don't have parties. We are not going to anyone's house for celebrating the new year. We have just basic plans. Like, we are going to beach with my like I am going to beach with my mom and my brother, and we will celebrate there. Like, last year there were so many firecrackers, so many people, but I don't think amid this pandemic that there will be firecrackers or any celebration there. But let's see what happens. We are going, so if something will be nice, then it will be much better to see there. And uh, last year there was less crowd, but I think this year there will be much more crowd, because lots of domestic tourists have came here, and they are just celebrating New Year and Christmas in Goa. So I think there will be much more crowd, but we will stay away from each other. Means we will stay away from people, and I will try to vlog. We are going to Miramar beach to celebrate the New Year. Like, we will do in a much normal way. So let's see what happens. Look at the traffic, man. So now we have reached Miramar, and as you can see there are a lot of traffic. There are a lot many people out there, and we have planned to not go to the beach. You can see there white color pillars, and there is beach. So we have planned to not go there because there are so large crowds. We will not take the risk to go there, and we will enjoy from here. So I hope the firecrackers will burst today, so it will be fun to watch. So now 1 minute left to New Year and firecrackers have started to burst. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, guys. It's 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. Happy New Year to all Unexplored fans. Happy New Year. From around four corners there are firecrackers. Everywhere there is a firecrackers, and this is so cool to watch. Happy 2021 to all Unexplored family. So guys, that was it. A very happy and prosperous new year from UL. from me and Shivani. A very happy new year to all your subscribers and all your to all those who watch Unexplored Lust. I hope this year brings all good things to your life, all the happy things to your life, and may you achieve all the success. Happy New Year, guys. So that was it. That was the New Year from this Goa, from Miramar beach. So like, share, and subscribe to Unexplored Lust, and stay tuned for more such amazing content.